Ladies and gentlemen, the vermilion bird represents the cardinal direction of the south, and the mythological creature rules over the season of summer and the element of fire. And yes, it is thus underlying and bears the ability to be reborn from fire and ashes. The vermilion bird is one of the four auspicious beasts of the Chinese constellations, who are viewed as the guardians of the four cardinal directions. And yes, we can see that the large wings of the vermilion bird are spread out wide and full of this peace. Yes, it is full on this space, giving the majestic creature a striking and imposing outlook to match its noble status as one of the four auspicious beasts.